episode of Cooking with Jay. Today, I am going to make my nice rice with pasta sauce, but I'm going to make it vegetarian style so that anybody who doesn't enjoy meat or can't have meat or even just wants a vegetarian light meal for lunch, this is the perfect way to go. What you're going to need is a cup of rice, a handful of carrots, 1 stalk of celery, half an onion, and a quarter of a red pepper. So what you're going to do, you're going to set the mode you need. For me, it's 60 minutes, and I'm going to start it and let it go for the whole time. Now, as your rice is cooking, you're going to cut up all these things. You're just going to cut them all up, and they're going to end up right on this nice cutting board, green cutting board, and it'll all be done. So let's go with that. Now what we are going to do is go to our pan and turn it on so that it can get nice and hot on the stove before we put in all our vegetables, our rice, and all our tomato sauce. So we got our pan here, and we're going to put the heat to number 7 so it can get nice and hot. So this is what the rice is going to look like when it's all done. Right there. You see, it is done. It looks great. It's nice and fluffy. Now that your pan is nice and hot, and mine is a little bit smoking, I have no clue why, but you're going to add in your rice, your cup of rice. Now that your rice is nice and fried up, and it looks great, it's not too hard and it's not too soft, you're going to add in your delicious vegetables, just like that. Then you're going to mix it all up. Now the next thing you want to add into this delicious recipe is your pasta sauce. It doesn't matter if it's homemade or just from a store-bought, it's okay. You just want to dump it all in there. Dump whatever you got in there. Now you mix it all up. When it comes to cooking, there are 3 simple rules you want to follow. 3, if you can see that, 3. The first rule you want to follow is called season your food. So you're going to season your food with stuff that you want. Season it. Second rule, number 2. Season your food. Number 3, well, if you can see that, 3, season your food. You always want to season your food with whatever you're going to use. So, to season the food, I've used salt, pepper, thyme, and oregano, and black pepper, if I haven't said that. Hey, your food is done, it's created, it smells amazing, it's gonna taste yummy, and it's vegetarian, so you don't have to worry about all that meat in there. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys, so please subscribe below, click the little red subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notification every time I upload, which is at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so don't forget to watch accordingly to that time. Also, hit the thumbs up, smash it, squash it, high five it, do whatever you have to hit it. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias because you want to be part of the most awesome group ever, Cooking with Jay Simkivitz. Also, comment below if there's something you want me to do. I'll do it. Just put it in the comments below because I can't know what you want me to do if you don't tell me, so please tell me. Also, remember, you guys are awesome, amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and thank you for being part of Jay's crew. Well, actually, Jay's squad, my mistake. And for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkivitz. And the most important thing to remember is be happy.